Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a screen repair tape on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online marketplace that delivers a product to consumer directly from China, and it provides a 90 days return policy. So to buy you have to come to temu.com, and at the search button you will directly search for the screen repair tape. So here we can see, so here we have to select one of them. So I'm going with this. So this will cost you one tape, window hole tape repair will cost you $0.37. It's very cheap. Here we can see the quality after before, and here we can see the all things. Okay, so to so we can see the descriptions also, it's very good, and we have here of like detail also, we can see it's very strong. Okay, and we can use it at our homes. So to buy you have to click on here add to cart, then click on the buy button, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how we can buy a screen repair tape from TEMU website. I strongly suggest installing and downloading the TEMU app to save your money.